د بوکټي په غم کې لکه تاسو لیکلي
غم کې نه the way he was killed, it was, I think that Pakistan, they have cut the Balochistan from your country.
خو احمد فراز صاحب خو لکه ټول عمر د انقلابي تحریکونو او د لیفټسټ تحریکونو د ترقي پسند تحریکونو هم یو صفایي پاتې شوی دی. بوکټي صاحب یو غټ سردار یو جاګیردار
دا منم چې هغه سردار و دا و دا but he was people's representative and Balochistan is not happy with that murder, and I honestly tell you and painfully tell that Balochistan is going to separate as history is going to repeat as East Pakistan. You, with your army's foolishness and leadership, they separated.
د بلوچستان په حالاتو کې او د مشرقي پاکستان په حالاتو کې تاسو مماثلت ښکاري؟
بالکل ښکاري. You know, there also the army played a very dirty role in East Pakistan, killing all the intellectuals and killing all the people who were there. And so many thousands and thousands were raped and everything. And here it was not the other side, other part of my statement, but they killed people and they bombarded, and it was Musharraf whim or cowardness that he killed that man.